Ever wished you could bring that iconic, whimsical Snoopy Screensaver from your Apple TV to your Mac? Well, you're in luck. Let's dive into how you can recreate that delightful Snoopy magic on your computer first. We'll explore the built-in macOS options. Navigate to your system settings, then find Desktop and Screensaver. While there isn't a direct Snoopy option, we can cleverly use other features. Look for hot corners at the bottom. Assign a specific corner to Start Screensaver. This is a quick way to trigger your screensaver whenever you'd like, getting us closer to that instant visual treat. Now, for the most direct way to get that authentic Snoopy feel, we'll look beyond the default settings. The Mac App Store is your best friend here. Search for Screensaver, and you'll find a variety of third-party applications designed to mimic popular screensavers. Many of these apps allow you to choose from different themes, and you'll likely find one that perfectly captures the charm and animation of the Apple TV Snoopy Screensaver. Download one that looks promising, and follow its installation instructions. It's usually a simple drag and drop or a quick setup process. Once installed, you can typically access these custom screensavers through the Screensaver tab in System Preferences. Just like your built-in ones, you might even be able to configure specific animations and settings within the app itself. And there you have it. Whether through clever use of system features or the magic of third-party apps, you can now enjoy Snoopy's delightful antics on your Mac. Happy unsnoozing.